Hey guys, here is how I created this hyperlapse using AI. Take your phone, film the stabilized video of statue, graffiti, clock tower or whatever you feel can be manipulated using AI. Import all this footage in your editing software. I am using Adobe Premiere Pro. Here I have selected all the footage which I felt will be best for this effect. Then using marker, select the section which you want to apply the effect on and export that section in an image sequence. So here are all the images of first shot. I am using this website called DALL-E by OpenAI. Sign up here and import your first image. Skip cropping so that you don't need to reframe after importing these images in your editing software. Then drag the square on the part where you want this magic to happen. Here I have selected his face. Select an eraser tool, adjust the size and erase the part which you want to replace it with. Write a short description of what you want to replace it with. Once you do that, AI will do its magic and give you 4 options. Save any one image which you think is the best. Do this for all the images and import them in your editing software. Now place it exactly above the section you exported. It will be easy as you can see the marker of in and out points. Play this hyperlapse and there is your effect. Repeat this process for the remaining hyperlapse. All you need to do after this is to add interesting sound effects like whooshes, heartbeat, camera shutter to accentuate the transitions. This process will test your patience, but the result will be worth it. Comment below if you have any doubt, and yes, don't forget to share it.